got one more Lambo coming in the house.
Yellow, it's in my Ratchet 240.
Rhinesville 2008 Super Latera.
It was funny because it doesn't match at all.
Are you ready? Leg him up!